there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is how to make a fabulous first impression. But first, as always, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as part of the Everyday Vacay Cyber Seminar series, just be aware that these Tip Tuesdays are part of our public YouTube channel, so comments that you make here will be public, as opposed to our classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, so back to how to make a fabulous first impression. Today we have tip number 6. Tip number 6 is to scour social media, because chances are whoever we're meeting very well may have looked at our social profiles. And no amount of clean hands and proper footwear is going to erase that image of drunken spring break photos. So look at your social media sites and take down anything that you wouldn't want the world to see, because they're looking. And it's also a good idea to Google your name and see what other people have posted on their sites about you. Now that's a little harder to control, but you can ask nicely to have friends and family take down pictures that you feel like do not show you in the best light. Not only should you take down any pictures that don't show you in the best light, but you should also pay attention to what kind of attitude you're projecting online. If you're sharing negativity, whether in posts or memes, then that's just going to paint you in a negative light. So take those down as well. Positive, professional content is going to make the best first impression, possibly before the other person even meets you. So there's your Tuesday tip for how to make a fabulous first impression. If you'd like to add to our conversation, you can always drop your comments in the box below, but I know if you're watching on some streaming devices, you might not be able to get to the comment box below. In that case, just head over to TammyTalk.com, hit that social tab, choose your favorite social media network, and comment there. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you're just generally tired and frustrated, click the link below for a free cyber seminar that details the causes and the cure. See you next week.